Good afternoon, Vadim, ladies. Here only ladies, as far as I know. I now graduation. That was good time, and I want to give congratulations to everyone being together. Despite all the difficulties, we managed to graduate. It was only 7 days ago when we came to the labyrinth called as Vadim's marathon. At first I found myself lost in all these tasks that you gave us. It was like incredible thing to do videos every day as feedback. I feel nervous sometimes, and when I used to feel like guilting, Vadim encouraged me. I don't know how, but he can really do it. And step by step, day by day, my speech become more exciting, richer, and fluent. I feel like I became a little bit closer to native speakers. It was a joke, of course. Thank goodness we have yet now all your advices and this opportunity coming handy. I can't stand breaking up, and I think I